ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction, but now 'cause I'm falling. Guys, I am on my way to work. I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing for the day. I'm running a little bit late, so just stay tuned and keep watching. So I am in my lash room, wax room, whatever you want to call it. I'm holding the camera because I have to move everything over, so I'm moving the lights and stuff like that so that I can reposition it, because I use this light for lashes and also when I do Brazilians. So I'm gonna set up really quick and hopefully I'll be back. Be like twisting and turning. You will recognize when you need a refill because they will be twisting and turning. Are they?
All right, if you could just open. Perfect. Look at my camera. Look up. Yep.
Okay, so now I'm about to go get me a smoothie. I'm just getting done with the first set. It took me about an hour to do the full set. But yeah, we're going to get into some training on how to use a hydrofacial. So I am going to get ready to do that next. So stay tuned. I'm trying to keep up with this content, y'all. Y'all, I don't know if I'm feeling a new wig. Like, it's not what I'm used to. I'm used to like a little bit long, a little bit straight. I'm trying to get used to this one because I'm trying to be different, but I don't know. I know I'm a grandmom and everything, but I don't know if this wig is given. Maybe it's not the hair itself. Maybe it's the bang. Bang gang. You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe it's the bang. I don't know. It's something, though. What y'all think? I'm thinking maybe if I do my eyebrows a little bit, because I be seeing y'all rocking it. I be seeing y'all rocking this, and it just be looking really cute. But I don't know if this is one of those things where your face got to be beat all the time. Let me just go get the smoothie. All right, y'all, this is Erin, Wave Girl. So we are messing with this machine today. We are gonna do a little bit of training on how to perform a hydrofacial. So that is what we're getting into today. All right, so this is what we're using to create our potion, or whatever you wanna call it, to healthy, glowy skin. All right, so right now we're done with training. I am going to tint my brows. My brows are very sparse, and I have a little bit of time in between my client. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, so we're gonna leave this tint on, and then I'm gonna wax them and all that, and we'll see. Okay, so I didn't get to, hold on, let me just step in here. Okay, y'all, so I didn't get to wax the brows yet because my client came in, but my client is a TikToker, so y'all know how that goes. They're gonna do reviews and things like that. So let's see how this goes, okay? So I will update you on how it went and everything once I'm done. Bye. So I came home and changed the wig because y'all want me to be Jessica Rabbit so bad. Come on.
Did you turn the microwave on? Huh?
They said this one is more given.
You want me to take the microwave off?
No, go ahead. So half of Instagram was saying that they liked the wig, and then the other half was like, no. Well, it was more like family that was like, no. And then the people that wasn't family was like, it's giving. I love it.
The people that wasn't family.
The people that wasn't family. So I didn't know who to go with, but since the family knows me better, I just changed the wig. So I am. So I changed the wig because 50% of the people was saying that it was cute, but then the other people were saying that it wasn't. But my family said take it off.
I thought it was cute.
Aaliyah thought it was cute.
Yeah.
But Booby didn't like it. It's given take the wig off.